Hey friends, how are you? JJ Canon, CEO of Digital Delight. A couple of months ago, I made a video about the SONOS Amp. I got another SONOS Amp. It's great packaging, looks fantastic, and so we're gonna do an unboxing. Now, before I do that, this amp has 125 watts per channel, okay? You can stream all of your favorite content, whether it's Spotify, Pandora, iHeartRadio. You can also do AirPlay through the SONOS Amp. The SONOS Amp has HDMI ARC, so there's an HDMI jack on the backside of this thing. I'll show you here in a minute. The SONOS Amp is also built to last. Every piece was hand designed by SONOS. Nothing was pulled off the shelf and put into this box. No, everything was designed for a purpose. It runs cool, so you know those big bulky amps that get real hot? This guy does not have that problem. All right, friends, time for the unboxing. It has these two little pull tabs up here at the top. Pull those guys off, and this guy slides right off. Super easy. It has that nice open SONOS printed inside on the cardboard. So this is everything that comes in the box. The SONOS Amp, a power cable, and two banana clip binding posts for you to screw your speaker wire into, tighten it down, and then slip it into the amp. It is denoted with a red for positive and a black circle for negative. Okay, right out of the box, you have this button in the top left corner. That's for syncing this amp to the SONOS system. You have a power terminal here, bottom left. You have your HDMI port with ARC. You have two network jacks. You have analog left and right channel in. You have a subwoofer out if you want to hardwire a subwoofer. I prefer to go with the SONOS sub. And then you have your speaker ports where these banana clips plug in. This is the top of the SONOS amp. It has this circular opening here to allow airflow. On the bottom side, it has horizontal lines cut for airflow functionality. It also has a screw in the bottom. On the front side of the amp, you have volume up, volume down, and pause and play. You also have an indicator light on the top above the pause and play button that allows you to know if the amp is playing or if it is in pause mode. You know, one thing about the SONOS product is they don't have a power button like your traditional products do. They use the pause and play for their system as the power button. All right, I'm gonna screw these speaker terminals onto my speaker wire and get this amp plugged up. All right, so I have all my wires in place. I have 5 wires. I got my power wire, I got my left, right speaker wire, I have my network wire, and I also have an HDMI cable ran over to my television to the ARC input. Let's plug some stuff in. You see that green blinking light? You're ready to set up your SONOS amp. All right, so you know how I was telling you about connect the HDMI to the ARC port on the back of the SONOS amp, and then also to the ARC port on your television? Well, this is the image that you get on your screen. You know you have it connected because you get these cool little black and white images that SONOS has preloaded on the SONOS amp. I'm gonna go ahead and grab my handy dandy Logitech remote here, and I want to watch some smart TV. Oh, there's Transformers. Let's give this a go.
The code on these glasses indicates the All-Spark is 230 miles from here.
I don't know if y'all can hear that, but it sounds fantastic. It's cool because it's going through the ARC of the HDMI. All right, one other thing that I'm gonna do is I'm gonna play a little bit of Taicho on there. And I like this song, Awake. Let's see what this sounds like. It does sound good. I wanted to show you these buttons on the front. Volume down. volume up, and pause. It's super easy to set up, and I highly recommend that you get one. It's the SONOS Amp. It's $599. We do have them in stock, and if you like one, give us a call. If you're interested in the SONOS Amp, contact Digital Delight. You can find us on our website at digitaldelight.com. You can also reach out to us via email at info@digitaldelight.com. Thank you for tuning in, and until next time.